In the stillness of solitude, our inner universe unfurls its enigmatic layers, whispering secrets of self that echo in the silent chambers of our soul. Here, in this sacred seclusion, we encounter the Hermit Archetype, a symbol of wisdom and introspection, guiding us through a powerful transformative journey deep within. This odyssey transcends mere physical isolation, ushering us into a realm of profound self-connection and reflection. It's a journey that inevitably brings us face to face with the enigmatic dark night of the soul, a pivotal moment of spiritual crisis that heralds profound transformation. This dark night is not just a metaphor, but a lived reality for many seekers of truth. It manifests as a period of feeling spiritually barren, disconnected, and lost. Yet, paradoxically, it is in this abyss that the seeds of enlightenment are sown. The transformative power of solitude, akin to the hermit's embrace of seclusion, becomes a crucible where our deepest thoughts and feelings meld, revealing the multifaceted nature of our existence. As we journey through this solitude, we parallel the hermit's quest, unearthing our vulnerabilities and strengths, fears and desires. In these moments of isolation, the solitude of the hermit transforms into a reflective pool, allowing us to see our true selves unmasked and unadorned. Here, we decipher the cryptic messages of our psyche, unravel our complexities, and uncover the boundless universe within. The dark night of the soul looms not just as a challenge, but as a gateway to awakening and self-revelation. In the depths of our soul, we grapple with existential dilemmas, emerging with a profound awareness and understanding of the self. This journey, though fraught with trials, inspires us with the enlightenment found in the hermit's solitary journey. In embracing solitude, the link between self-awareness and inner wisdom crystallizes. Solitude evolves from a state of being to a state of becoming, an alchemical process refining our character, revealing the hidden facets of our being. This introspective voyage transcends mere self-discovery, leading us toward personal evolution and spiritual awakening. As we emerge from this journey, we are transformed, enlightened, aware, and deeply connected to the cosmic tapestry of life. As we delve deeper into the sanctity of solitude, we uncover its role as a portal to hidden realms. Beyond the realm of personal introspection, solitude becomes a bridge to the unseen, a gateway to the mystical dimensions that lie just beyond our everyday consciousness. Here, in this hushed sanctuary, we find ourselves at the threshold of esoteric knowledge, poised to explore the ancient secrets and cosmic mysteries that have tantalized seekers for millennia. Esoteric traditions such as Kabbalah, Gnosticism, and the teachings of Hermeticism offer gateways to deeper understanding. These paths, rich in symbolism and mysticism, provide maps for exploring the landscape of the soul and the cosmos. They speak of hidden energies, of the interconnectedness of all things, and of the journey to transcendence. Yet, as we navigate these esoteric realms, it is vital to approach with humility, steering clear of the pitfalls of spiritual ego that have historically fueled conflict and division. We must wield this knowledge with an open heart, using it to foster compassion, unity, and unconditional love. It's in the spirit of collective betterment, not self-aggrandizement, that we must seek to uncover these ancient secrets and apply their profound insights. This pursuit of deeper understanding through solitude is not unprecedented. In fact, history is replete with luminaries who have embraced solitude for profound intellectual and spiritual advancements. Reflect, for instance, on the profound insights of Nikola Tesla, not just a master of electrical engineering, but also a seeker of spiritual and esoteric truths. Tesla was a visionary who harnessed the unseen forces of nature and pioneered alternating current technology. Beyond his scientific genius, Tesla delved into the spiritual dimensions, exploring the potential of universal energy and its connection to human consciousness. He once declared, "The mind is sharper and keener in seclusion and uninterrupted solitude. Originality thrives in seclusion free of outside influences beating upon us to cripple the creative mind. Be alone, that is the secret of invention. Be alone, that is when ideas are born." This profound insight captures the essence of solitude as a catalyst for both mental and spiritual expansion, embodying Tesla's own journey of innovative solitude. Imagine solitude as a gateway to the astral realm, a metaphysical space beyond the physical world where profound spiritual insights and encounters occur. The concept of the astral realm, while often considered esoteric, resonates with themes found in various philosophical and spiritual doctrines, though it is highly subjective and can be interpreted differently across these traditions. In Theosophy, particularly in the works of Helena Blavatsky, there is a clear discussion of astral planes that closely parallels the contemporary understanding of the astral realm. Hindu and Buddhist philosophies, while not explicitly naming it, describe various levels of consciousness and existence that echo the notion of a non-physical, energetic dimension. Even in Platonism, with its emphasis on a realm of forms existing beyond the physical, we find a philosophical precursor to ideas hinting at the possibility of different realities beyond our sensory experience. These philosophical and spiritual traditions, with their deep focus on introspection and meditation, suggest that intentional solitude can be a gateway to experiencing these expanded states of consciousness, providing a bridge to understanding realities that lie beyond our ordinary perception. However, navigating the astral realm demands discernment and caution. It's a path laden with challenges such as psychological disorientation, intense emotional reaction, spiritual ego, and exposure to negative energies. These risks require careful navigation with proper guidance, wisdom, and a grounded sense of responsibility to ensure a safe and enlightening journey. The practice of engaging with the astral realm is a disciplined exploration of the mind's potential. Techniques such as deep meditations, lucid dreaming, and visualization become tools to navigate this inner cosmos. In this journey, solitude becomes more than a state of being. It transforms into an active, dynamic process of spiritual inquiry and discovery. In this hidden realm, the mysteries of the universe unfold. The astral realm is a mirror reflecting the complexities of the psyche and the universe. It is here, in the solitude of our inner world, that we encounter the profound interconnectedness of all existence. These encounters offer more than knowledge. They provide a transformative experience that reshapes our understanding of reality. Thus, the practice of solitude opens doors to realms that lie beyond the reach of conventional perception. It is a journey that takes us into the depths of our being and the expanse of the universe, offering a glimpse into the profound mysteries that weave the fabric of existence. In the silent whispers of solitude, we discover not just ourselves, but the universe speaking to us in a language of infinite wisdom. In the hushed, hidden realms of solitude, our soul embarks on an esoteric journey, intertwining ancient wisdom with the pursuit of enlightenment. This journey, cherished in spiritual traditions, unveils the tripartite nature of our being: the spirit, the soul with its intellect, and the body, each finding a unique resonance within the quietude's transformative embrace. Solitude becomes a sacred haven for spiritual practices. In the tranquil corners of Buddhist monasteries and Hindu ashrams, solitude is a conduit to the divine. Here, in the gentle caress of seclusion, the mind finds tranquility, the heart opens to new depths, and the spirit ascends, transcending the mundane to touch the sublime. Rosicrucian philosophy, with its mystical allure, offers an enlightening view on this solitary quest. It depicts humans as a triune entity, a harmonious blend of the spiritual, the intellectual soul, and the physical. Solitude fosters a dialogue within this triad. The spirit, unbounded and eternal, seeks the universal truths. The intellectual soul, a bridge between the divine and the earthly, contemplates existential mysteries. And the body, a temple of the spirit, achieves harmony with the cosmos. This sacred triad, in the cocoon of solitude, experiences an alchemical transformation. The spirit reaches enlightenment, the intellectual soul gains wisdom, and the body vibrates with cosmic harmony. This inward journey, away from the external world, reveals an inner universe waiting to be discovered. Solitude, thus, is not an escape, but a sacred pilgrimage to the self. It's a soulful dance with the mysteries of existence, a balance between solitary introspection and cosmic unity. Spiritual retreats, be it in a forest hermitage or a secluded corner of one's home, are not just places, but portals to the divine. By embracing solitude, we uncover more than just our inner selves. We unearth the universe within. This journey, both beginning and ending within us, transforms every silent moment into a step towards the infinite. In the sacred stillness of solitude, we don't just find peace. We unite with the universal consciousness, a profound communion that transcends the self. Amidst an era where digital connections incessantly tug at our consciousness, solitude emerges as a paradoxical haven, a sanctuary seldom understood and often overlooked. Here, in the quietude, lies an uncharted expanse where self-discovery and introspection thrive, untouched by the ceaseless cacophony of modern life. Yet, this journey into solitude is often misconstrued, painted with the broad strokes of loneliness and alienation. It is imperative to discern the stark contrast between the empowering embrace of solitude and the hollow echo of loneliness. Solitude, in its essence, is not a retreat from the world, but a deeper plunge into the self, a quest to unearth the layers of one's being beneath the societal facade. It's a conscious choice, a deliberate pause in the relentless pursuit of connectivity to foster a space where the mind can wander, unshackled and free. This deliberate disconnection is not an act of escapism, but a bold step towards authentic self-encounter and growth. Yet, the modern dilemma hinges on finding a harmonious balance. In a world where our worth is often gauged by our social networks, choosing solitude can be a revolutionary act. It's a subtle art to disconnect, to reflect, to grow, and to then reconnect with the world, enriched and transformed. This dance between solitude and society is delicate, requiring mindfulness and intention. In embracing solitude, we unlock a plethora of psychological and emotional benefits. It's in these moments of quiet that creativity whispers, where the clutter of external opinions fades and our true voice resonates. But solitude, like all potent forces, demands respect. Excess of it can drift into isolation, severing the vital connections that tether us to the shared human experience. Thus, the wisdom of solitude lies in its balance, in understanding that to thrive as individuals, we must also engage with the world around us. It's about finding those moments of stillness amidst the chaos, to reflect, to grow, and to ultimately return to the community, not as mere participants, but as architects of our own destiny, sculpted by the silent, profound revelations of solitude. Emerging from this balancing act, solitude reveals itself as not just a personal refuge, but as a gateway to the universal consciousness. In this tranquil space, the boundaries between self and cosmos blur, and we step into a vast landscape of collective wisdom. This shift from personal solitude to universal connection marks a profound transition, leading us from introspective journeys to an expansive embrace of the interconnected web of existence. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. It requires courage to confront the shadows and light within, to embrace the entirety of our existence. As we navigate this path, we align our microcosmic experiences, representing the individual scale, with macrocosmic truths symbolizing the vast cosmic scale. The Hermetic principle of correspondence, as above, so below, becomes our guiding star, illuminating the symbiosis between our inner universe and the outer cosmos. In these quiet moments of introspection, we engage in a dialogue with the universe. This communion transcends language, occurring in the realm of intuition and insight. Here, mindfulness is not just a practice, but a portal, one that allows us to experience the interconnectedness of all existence. The insights gained in solitude are not mere epiphanies. They are revelations of the soul, echoing the eternal dance of creation and consciousness. As we approach the conclusion of our exploration, remember that solitude is not an end, but a beginning, a starting point for a journey that transcends the self. In the embrace of solitude, we find not isolation, but a profound unity with all that is. We emerge not only transformed, but also transcendent, carrying with us the wisdom of the ages, ready to infuse our daily lives with the light of universal consciousness. This is the power and the ultimate gift of solitude, a powerful gift that keeps giving long after the silence has ended. Thanks for watching. Click on this video appearing on your screen to continue your awakening journey. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications.